Introducing OneSync by Feit Electric, the only customizable and easy-to-install under-cabinet lights and accessories that can connect wirelessly, eliminating complicated wiring behind or between cabinets. Today, we're installing the OneSync flat panel lights. The flat panel lights come in different sizes to fit any 12-inch, 18-inch, 24-inch, or 36-inch cabinet, and the installation is the same for all. Your OneSync flat panel lights come with mounting screws, 18-gauge ground wire and wire nuts, a clamp connector, 18-inch connector cable, instruction manual, mounting template, and finally, your OneSync flat panel lights. Here's the tools needed to install your flat panel. Start by using the mounting template and mark the desired placement of your flat panels. Install the mounting screws at the marked locations, leaving a gap of 1/10 of an inch. If you plan on hardwiring your flat panel, start by stripping the house wires 4/10 of an inch. Then, remove the hardwire bracket and wires from inside the fixture. Remove the knockout hole. Next, cut and strip the fixture wires 4/10 of an inch. Remove the green wire from the mounting bracket. Then, attach the provided green wire by screwing them together on the mounting bracket. Then, insert the clamp connector and tighten. Feed your house wires through it. Next, connect the black wire to the black, the white to the white, and the green to the green or copper wire using the provided wire nuts. Be sure there is no exposed wire. Then, push wire connections into the fixture. Reinsert the bracket and screw it into place. Lastly, firmly secure the clamp connector. Now, mount your flat panel to the screws by pushing it into the mounting slots. If you would rather power your OneSync flat panels with the included connector cable or the separately sold power cable instead of hardwire, place within 17 inches of another unit, or within 6 feet of a wall outlet. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your OneSync flat panel lights.